Okay, so I have an uneven floor after we laid the tile. These things happen, unfortunately. But you can see right there, it's a little bit of a bow. And you can see that my toe kick is off. And if you squat down, it's really off. So, for experimenting, whatever else, I have an idea. So what I'm going to use is 2 shims. Right here, just plastic shims, it's okay. And I'm gonna get a pencil right here. That's my only tools. So what I'm gonna do right now is essentially go over here, measure it out. So it looks like it's pretty much, let's see here. So about right there. So I know that's what I need. So I have my finger on it. So I'm gonna take the shim right here and I'm gonna break it. Okay, as you can see, I broke the shim. So now I'm gonna try it again. There we go. So essentially it's flush. So now what I'm going to do, so I'm gonna take my pencil, knowing that it's flush, and I'm gonna have to put the phone right here so you can see. So my pencil's right here. I'm just gonna draw a line, okay? That's it. So we know. So now that I know that that's the bottom of the shim, I'm just gonna trace it. As you can see, I'm tracing it with the shim. Pencil on top of the shims. Let's see if we can do it this way. I'm gonna keep going, just sliding it across. So now, I look at my line, as you can see, that's probably, yeah, that's a little bit more than 1/4 of an inch. But that's essentially what I'm going to rip. So I will start the video in a moment once I get my saw. Now that I have my saw, I'm just going to rip this as close to the line as I possibly can. As you see, it's actually a little bit more than 1/4. I was mistaken, it is a 1/2 inch at its peak. So I will restart the video in just a minute after I'm done ripping. So now that the board has been ripped, I'll show you what it looks like now, and it goes well with the floor. And there's going to be more to come, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.